Hello, today we will guide you through how to track wallets on Axiom Pro Trade. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find a wallet from a token page and add it to your tracker list inside Axiom, so you can monitor its activity more easily going forward. To begin, open the Axiom Discover page on the Solana view. This is the area where you can browse coins and explore activity across the platform. Once you're on the Discover page, click on a sample coin to open its details. For this tutorial, the exact coin doesn't matter, since the goal is simply to demonstrate how to locate a wallet and start tracking it. After the coin page loads, look toward the bottom left of the chart area and click on Holders. This section shows the wallets that currently hold that token. It's a useful place to start when you want to identify a wallet connected to a specific asset. From the Holders list, click on a sample holder. This opens the wallet details page where you can review more information about that address. On that page, find the copy icon and click it to copy the wallet address. This is the address you'll bring back into Axiom's tracking tools. Make sure the address is copied fully before moving on. Next, return to Axiom and click on Trackers. This will take you to the Wallet Tracking section. Once you're there, click on Manager. The Manager area is where you organize and add wallets you want to follow. So this is the control center for setting up tracking. Now click on Add Wallet. A field will appear where you can enter the wallet information. Paste the copied wallet link or address into that field. It's a good idea to quickly double check that the pasted value is complete and there are no extra spaces, since even a small formatting issue can prevent the wallet from being added correctly. Once everything looks right, click. Add wallet again to confirm. After that, the wallet will be added to your tracker and you can now monitor it through Axiom. That's the full process. Open Discover, choose a coin, go into Holders, copy a wallet, then add it through the Trackers Manager. If you plan to track multiple wallets, repeating the same flow can help you build a watch list quickly and keep an eye on trading activity in one place.